How to delete a picture after posting on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can delete a picture after posting on Instagram. So, without any further ado, let's jump right in. First of all, let's open up our Instagram. Make sure we are logged in into the account. Then we can start by posting multiple pictures. So tap on the plus icon on the top left, select the pictures that you want to upload, then tap on next. So as you can see, I've selected multiple pictures. I'll tap on the next button and post it. So this can take some time. Let's share it right now. After you've posted the pictures, if you want to delete a single picture from here, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the top here. Then you'll find the edit option. Tap on it. And after you do that, you'll find multiple pictures here. Now find the picture that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete the first one. You'll find a small trash icon at the bottom left of the picture. Tap on it and delete it. So that picture, the only picture, will get deleted, and you can tap on this tick icon to save it. And it's that simple. And as you can see now, I only have two pictures, and it's that simple. That's all for today's video. That's how you delete a picture after posting on Instagram. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.